Today we're looking at stainless steel worm drive band. The band comes in a practical plastic dispenser that makes measuring and feeding the band clean and effortless. No tangles, no mess. The same band is also available in a cardboard box format, ideal for larger quantities and storage on site. These bands are designed to work with dedicated stainless steel worm drive locks. Here's a closer look at the locks in hand, compact, corrosion resistant, and built for repeated use. A single slot accepts the band, and the screw mechanism inside drives the worm pattern to tension and hold the clamp securely. Let's see how it works. To make a clamp, cut a length of band using stainless steel band scissors. Thread one end through the worm drive lock, then fold the end back over itself, by hand or with a gentle tap of a hammer to get a clean fold. Now let's move on to installation. Wrap the clamp around the pole and thread the free end through the lock. Pull it snug by hand to seat it properly. Then use a screwdriver to tighten the lock screw. Keep turning until you feel solid resistance. Once fully tightened, use the stainless steel band scissors to trim the excess band flush. Clean, sharp cut, no loose ends. And one of the best features of this system, the locks are fully reusable. When you need to remove the clamp, simply unscrew the lock, release the band, and the lock is ready to use again.